Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to deposit money on FNB ATM machine. So you need to have your account number ready. So yeah, so what you do, you say card list, touch here. If it doesn't, then you choose button here. Okay, e-wallet, get cash, make cash deposit. This one. If it doesn't, then if it doesn't touch, you find a button, which is the second button here. Press it. Then it tells you the cell phone number. Okay, put in the cell phone number. Okay, after the cell phone number, you say enter. OTP. No, that's not what we're gonna do. Cancel. Sorry about that. Cancel. Okay, cardless, card collection, lost or stolen card. Okay. Make cash deposit. Okay, that one. Get cash from FNB. No, this one, which is button 2. Ask for cell phone number. You say cancel back. I'm thinking I'm pressing it the wrong button. Okay, because it's not touch, it's giving me straps. Let me go for a touch machine which has a touch, because this one is giving stress. I think this is gonna be better for me. Okay, touch here. Okay, 1 2. So which is this? Okay, that's the one which we did. Okay, then you say deposit it into an FNB account. This is the one you take. Sorry, that machine was giving me trouble. Then you say okay, then say information will be displayed on the whatever, enter account number and press and next. Okay, I'm gonna put the account number, which is 662 2. Okay, and say 89. Okay, 1. Okay, 80. Okay. Okay, 96. Then it's gonna be, after doing that, then you say next, which is this. Press this button here. Okay, enter your own reference. Okay, put in any reference. What is the reference number here? So make sure you put the right reference number. Okay, so of course, okay. Mayfair last. Okay, done. Then you say next. Then that's the information. Then change reference or say next. You don't change, you say next. Enter name, then enter next. Okay, put the name here. Then name, then press next. Okay, after putting the name, you press next. Enter some name. and say next. Enter your phone number. Okay, it's gonna ask me for phone number. After phone number, then say next. Then enter the full amount you want to deposit and press next. Okay, full amount I'll put 1,500. Then I'll press next. Okay, then it tells attention, deposit maximum 100 knots. Okay, then you say next. Agree to that and say next. Okay, and I'm gonna put in the money here in the chamber. Okay, make sure your money is right. Put it in this chamber. Okay. The machine took the money. Let's see. Let's wait. If there is some notes which are not fine, it's gonna bring it back. Okay. We're just praying that we don't get any money which is not right. Still processing. Yes, it got 100 rand which is not right. So that 100 rand, we can say retry, return notes. Okay, I'm gonna try to grab it, then I put it back. If that money is not okay, then we say retry. I'm putting it back. Okay, putting it back. Okay. If it doesn't work, then I'm gonna leave it. Seems it doesn't like to take this note, so I'll take it out. Then I'll agree to whatever I'm seeing here. Putting 1.4. It will show you the company name and everything on the screen. After then, the money, okay, amount entered, then amount deposited is this. So I want to say next. You see there's something on this. Okay, say yes. Or no. Would you like a slip? We can say yes if you want to, so that you show a proof to a person. So I'm gonna go change this money, then I come back and okay, that's it. So the slip is here. Let me go change the money, then I come back. I do the same thing. Yeah. Well, I got another 100 rand, the new one. So I'm gonna just press card list services here and say cash deposit, which is this. Then you say deposit FNB into any FNB. You select that, and then ask you the information display. Could be whatever. Enter account number. So that's account number I'm gonna enter now. Okay. 288. Okay, after putting the account number, you have to be sure that it's the one you're looking for. Okay. Okay. If it's the same, then you say next. After here, it's gonna ask you information. This will enter reference number. Say reference number. I can put maybe my cell phone number. After reference number, you say next. Then it display that all the information you put in. Then after say next, then ask you enter the name. Okay, say put your name. Okay, put name. Then I say next. Enter surname. Just put anything. Then enter phone number. After phone number, then you say next here. Okay, amount, which is gonna be 100 rand this time. So next, then we're gonna put in that money. Okay, so next. Put in that money here. Let's see if it's gonna work. Yeah, that worked for us. So it displays here and everything. So then you see confirm deposit. Okay, this time I want a slip also. Say yes. Yeah, done. So here is the slip, the company. It shows the company name, everything we put in. So, but remember, we faced a challenge of the ATM. The first ATM was not working nicely. So if you have something like that, you get that, then you go to another machine to see. Some machines are touch, some are not touch. So it's better to take a touch machine than a machine which is non-touch. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.